In this video, we are going to see the random access method in Python files. One is seek and tell. See, random access method means we can access the contents of the file randomly from any positions we can access, as well as we can write to the contents in any position also using seek tell method. So seek method is used to set the current positions for reading writing operations. The general form of seek method is file object or seek. Offset is the first parameter, and from what is that optional 1, by default value is from what is 0. So the offset is calculate the position of the particular file object in the file. It will return in a bytes, so each character considers 1 byte. uh, Even the backspace is also 1 byte, but the slash and alone 2 bytes. And from parameters take this three values. 0 indicates the bytes will be calculated from the beginning, that is offset bytes will be calculated from the beginning is 0 indicates, and 1 indicates from the current positions, and 2 is a lost, and that 1 and 2 positions will be worked only in the binary mode. 0 support for both mode and 1 and 2 only support for the. And tell method is returns an integer value which indicates the current position of the object. General form is object dot just to tell, no parameters. It return the integer value. That integer value specified the bytes only, number of bytes from the beginning of the file. And as in this program we are going to see, we are going to start to read the sixth position character. Consider this is the text files fruits.txt, and we are opening in the reading mode. And here first second statement you see seek file object dot seek of 6 comma 0. So beginning from the beginning we are going to start to read the character in the sixth position. So sixth positions here. So starting position is 0. So in a sixth position, so what character is there? I. So I onwards we are going to start to read, and then next line continuously it will be printed. This is output. And then next we are going to read sixth. First is reading from the sixth position letters, and then fifth position. So consider the same file fruits.txt. I open the file. Next, I mentioned simply 6. So by default, that upset value is 0, 6. Sorry, the from what default value is 0. So 6 comma 0 only. So from the beginning of the file, it will sixth position onward start. But print of f dot read of 3 means it will takes only the 3 characters. Read function we already see, only 3 characters alone will be read from sixth position. So ite alone will be printed. And next again we have set the position f dot seek of 5. So fifth positions what character is it? Or so point the positions or fifth positions. And next second print statement f dot read, so it will read from the fifth to remaining all the characters. And next we are going to move forward 2 characters from the current positions. So the last 2 examples we have seen for the beginning position, this one we are going to see the current position. This is a file, and we are opening fruits.txt in binary mode. I already told current position last position is working only in the binary mode. And f dot seek of 6, this one point the position 6, and we are going to read the characters 3. So it alone we are going to read. so it is played. And next you notice that, so ITE we have read, now pointer position is 8, right? Just read it. And next we have to forward the two characters using the function seek of 2 comma 1. So from the current positions to, we have to skip the two characters, so blank space and F will be skipped. Okay, now pointed in that 11th position, that is the letter or will be pointed by the cursor. And next we are giving F dot read of 5, so from that or 5 characters will be read, so RUITS will be printed. And next we are going to read from the end of the while, read from the seventh character was. So file, instead open the file in binary mode, and after seek of -7 comma 2, so from the end, so it indicates the from what position is 2 and offset -7. So minus negative value means is lost, like a list of backward indexing. So from the last we have to notice. So from the last means it will show the -1 onwards is started. So seventh position's character is A, and print F dot read of 5. So we have to read from the seventh position to 5 letters. So apple will be read and will be printed. And next we are going to see the tell functions to find the number of bytes. That means total number of bytes where the cursor point is. Based on this, it will calculate the bytes. See, here is the seek -7 comma 2. No, it will point at the last. Okay, actually the position start from 0 in the file. So if we take it as in the forward index, 0 means -7th position. What is it? 26. So now we call the function tell means it point out 26. So now cursor pointer is 26. So it returns the bytes 26. And then start to read a 5 characters. It will be display afterwards. The 5 letters will be printed. So this from the last questions we have seen in the previous one, finding the number of finds. This one we are going to see then the current positions bytes. See, open the file in binary mode, and after seek of 3 means, so first the third position will be pointed. 0 to third position will be pointed, and now after tell mean it will return the bytes is what, 3. Okay, 3 it will be pointed, and again we are reading the 5 characters. So third position to seventh positions, okay, 5 letters will be read and it will be printed. Now we are setting the current positions. From the current positions we are forward skip the characters, 4 characters, 4 comma 1. So we are skipping this 4 character, E backspace and then F, and or the 4 characters will be forwarded. So now cursor point is it. Next, 4 characters will be skipped. So now, if you call the 12 functions, return the bytes is 12. And then read the 5 characters, no? The last 5 characters will be printed. And next, we are going to see how to write the text in a file using the seek function. So consider the product.txt file contains Jasmine space rows. So open that file in that rewrite mode, and so it will store like this: Jasmine space rows. Okay, J position is 0 and E position is 11, and 12 is the slash and position, last position. So first in the second line of the program we are getting the position, enter the position to insert. So seventh place, so seventh place is a blank space. Okay, I want to insert the text in the seventh place. Which string I want to insert? No? Daisy I am going to insert. So we have to set the position before writing the test. After seek of the position, seventh position is set it. And then next, using write function, we are going to write the string. Okay, new str. What is that? New str is a Daisy you are going to write. See here. So seventh place is placed. So what happened here? The rose is disappeared. It's overwritten by the Daisy. So after exiting program, if you open and see the file, na, it will come like that. Seventh place Daisy will come. The remaining text is overwritten. Is hidden. How to insert the text without overwriting? We can see using the seek methods in this program. So consider the same file. So we are getting that first enter the position to insert seventh positions, and we have set the position. Okay, seventh position set, and then read all the characters. Okay, from the seventh position onwards, the remaining characters we have to add, because the previous program it was overwritten. So to avoid this remaining characters, we have to read it, and then we are displaying. This is a remaining character we are displaying, and getting the string which one you want to insert, that is a Daisy, and the new string is concatenate with the existing that string rows. Okay, now we have set the positions. Okay, seventh position, see, and then writing the string. Now you can see seventh position is Daisy, and the remaining this rows also will be there. So what we have done here, to insert the text, see, from the inserting position onwards, remaining string we have to read and then concatenate with the new string. So it will be safe, it will not be overwritten. So roses appeared here. Thank you.